Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Talks, and today I'm going to talk about Kajaria Ceramics, which looks like a strong long-term play and has been consolidating at very good levels. So let's understand about the business and let's understand what needs to be done. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. So before I talk about Kajaria Ceramics, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, it will help me grow the channel, help you also ask me questions and eke out answers in greater detail. Once you get a $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, if you can pay $100 upfront, then you get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. For detailed market or company talk, then you can directly email me and we can work things out. And also, if you can't pay through card, now you can pay on YouTube and get the YouTube membership, and you'll get all the benefits of Patreon on YouTube, and you'll have access to the podcast, etc., and all the details of that by becoming a member of on YouTube. Plus, you'll have 4 live sessions every month exclusively for YouTube members. Now about the company, established in 1988, it is the largest tiles manufacturer in India with 68 million square meter capacity. It has around 8 plants across India and has nationwide presence, one of the strongest brands in the tile and ceramic industry. If you look at the financials, then these are Q1 numbers. So the numbers have done extremely well. So it has gone up by 102%. It's not negative, but it's over 100% result in terms of sales. Whereas profit has been 43 crores of profit versus losses of around 32 crores. There's high combined promoter and institutional holding that is present, which is positive. And return ratios are becoming better. So ROE of around 16%, operating profit margin of around 14% is pretty decent considering the industry, and these are on the upswing. If you look at the technicals, then it may have made a bottom, I mean, around the 850 levels recently, and now it is around 1200, 1230, 1240, and around these levels. I think 1200 will be a strong support, and once it goes past something like 1450, 1500, then you'll see a huge up move in the stock. So these are good levels to accumulate the stock if you have a slightly longer term viewpoint, and it looks decent on charts. And it may continue its up move post some correction. So what is happening is suddenly we are seeing some correction in most of the ceramic companies, but sooner or later they will move up as economy is reviving, and there is an upswing in the housing, you can say housing ancillary firms. So what needs to be done, in my opinion, can be bought on declines or at current levels as well. So it's around 1200 to 1250. This is a very good range to buy on. I don't think March 2020 lows will ever be met, or at the probably in the longer run would be met, and there'll be a different base altogether. So I think between 1200 to 1100 best time to accumulate. I see good 50-60% up move in the next 18 months, and even greater up move over the next 3 years. This is a good 2-3 year story that I feel, that could inspire people to invest into the stock. So this is my video on Kajaria. Please like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post, and kindly support me on YouTube and Patreon. Thanks a lot for watching.